Over 30 years ago, we reproduced the fuel tank filler overflow hoses. One critical factor was that this hose not kink when bending or on the top sides and bottom of the fuel tank as it terminates below the body. To help prevent kinking, GM used a rubber compound with a high durometer. Durometer refers to the hardness and density of the rubber. Sponge rubber has a low durometer. A hockey puck has a very high durometer. Proper durometer prevents this hose from getting pinched, kinked, or collapsing. In this video, we can literally tie our reproduction hose in a knot and it will not kink. Notice the wall thickness is thinner in some reproductions and all are kinked when slightly bent. That is not good. If the hose gets kinked and restricted, gasoline, water when washing your car, and even rain can collect. Often when stored outside, rain can collect and contaminate the fuel tank. Maybe there'll be a factory recall. Not a chance. Corvette Emptor. Let the buyer beware. They will continue to sell this crap and the joke is on you. 1984 to 1996 models use an overflow hose also, with the same size and durometer as earlier models. However, it is shorter and also does not kink when tied in a knot. On 1963 to 1974 models, GM was concerned that the hose would kink at the lower end, and therefore a coiled spring was inserted into the hose. We also reproduced this spring, and it is heat-treated spring steel. The video shows how it returns to its original shape when deformed. We published a video on how to insert this spring, or we can do it for you. Some other Repro springs are shown in the following. I don't know if they're spring steel or not. We offer these overflow hose kits. None include the China reproduction filler neck boots. China adds fillers to their rubber that significantly decreases their useful life. We do include our own USA manufactured tie straps, made right here in Bridgeport.